First week of June, and then 1 month nothing, and again.
How many boats are registered for this?
For the races?
Yeah,
11.
All year long? You don't have more?
No.
Why don't you want many? More?
We need. It's big budget.
2 million?
No, it's 2 million to keep this one running a year. But you know, you need to start. You need more than that.
What's the budget for a starting team?
It depends how much you want to invest.
But I think with 1.5 you can get through it.
Yeah. You need to buy truck. You need to buy hospitality, the crew. Let me sit. Sorry.
Final Romanian.
Say goodbye.